tree means darakht. This is a fish, fish means machli. This is a bus, bus means bus. This is a peacock, peacock means mouse. This is a mango, mango means ant. This is a house, house means girl. This is a ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. This is a monkey, monkey means bandar. This is a bird, bird, birds means parinda. This is a umbrella, umbrella means chakri. This is a sun, sun means suraj. Let us play a guessing game. Each one of you will come here and think about a picture. Picture. In my, you will have to speak about. Let us about it. Other students will guess the pictures